Hello guys, today we are going to learn about the introduction to PHP, and PHP stands for Hypertext Processor, and it is an open source scripting language that is widely used for web development. And before you can run the PHP script on your machine, you need the server. And right here I have this XAMPP server, which I consider as the best web server I have used before. And down here you see downloads, if in case if you don't have this server installed on your machine. And depending on what operating system you're using, here they have the three types of operating system: Windows, Linux, and OS X. And uh, you just have to download uh, the version of the server depending on your machine. And in case if you are absolutely new to this and you have never used this before, or you have never installed this before, I recommend you watch this video over here. They explain everything. So right now I have the server installed on my machine, and I'm going to show you how to write the simple PHP script. And here I have this and right click and run as administrator. And uh, just wait a while, and we have it here. And while you have this XAMPP control panel, just start the Apache and also start the MySQL. And I'm going to navigate where this XAMPP is installed on my operating system, and I'm using Windows. And I go to this folder here, the Window Explorer, and C drive, and have XAMPP here. And this is XAMPP, and you need to go to this htdoc folder, and here is where we are going to put all our projects. So I'm going to create a simple project folder, and this project is going to be which is going to be PHP Pro. And this is my folder. On my folder I'm going to create a simple script on my notepad, or I can use a NetBeans, which is more like easy to use than using the notepad. But right now I'm going to create notepad file, and I'm going to call it like index, and now it's saved as a text file. So I need to change this to a PHP. So right click and open with another editor, more advanced editor like Notepad++, and I have it, and it shows index.txt. I need to change this, so save as. Right here I need to say save as type, and I select which type of the file I want. So I'm going to say all types, and I'll type index.php. So this will automatically detect this PHP file. So I'll save it here, and now it's PHP file. So I could write the codes here, and if we go back here, we see we have two files. So I can delete this file right away. I don't need it, so I need this one. So I'm going to use NetBeans, and NetBeans, on my NetBeans here, I'm going to open let's create a new project. And now this is going to be PHP, and it's a PHP application. The next, and here I'm going to browse where the source folder, because we have existing project already. So I browse, I go to my htdocs, and I look for PHP Pro, then I open and get the PHP Pro here. I can change the name here, or I can just call PHP Pro as well. And you can see here it's saved on my users documents NetBeans Pro, and but the source folder is on our server now. this one, and I'm running PHP version 5.6 and default encoding UTF-8, and I'll click next and then next, and I'm not gonna choose these frameworks because we are going to try it from scratch, and next, and finish. So here we have we create the other, and let's see, HTML file, next, and we call index and finish. So we have this template already made with this, so we can type here test PHP title, and here it's where I'm going to write a PHP script, and type PHP question mark. So PHP, as you can see, the PHP script are enclosed in a special start and end. The code usually is executed on the server, then it generating the HTML, which is then sent to the client, which is our client in this case is a browser, and the browser does not need to know what the underlying code was, and in this case the browser doesn't have to know that how this code was written. The browser have to read this and display our script. So if I type the, for example, echo, let's say echo hello world, and we save, the browser is going to read this, and if we try to run this, so we see hello world here. So this was introduction to PHP. So please guys, subscribe for more videos and like. Bye bye.